Elon Musk just revealed Tesla's insane motor. He never stops excelling. I'm talking about none other than Elon Musk. He does everything to upgrade his projects and visions. So is Tesla, again, on its way for a next-level performance? But wait now, with what? The answer is with an insane motor. Yes, the Tesla Model S Plaid has been officially launched by Tesla, and it comes with a slew of eye-catching features. The world's fastest produced automobile is now available, with a redesigned exterior, interior, infotainment system, battery architecture, and a super motor. Want to have a look at this amazing instrument? We are going to share with you everything about Tesla's new insane motor, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to Elon Musk Planet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the new things we bring for you regarding the tech magnate Elon Musk and his wild endeavors. That being said, let's begin. So, Musk mentioned briefly during a presentation that this new motor is only possible because of a new machine that Tesla created to make it possible. So, you guys are aware that the Model S, which was first unveiled 9 years ago, has been updated and given a new name, S Plaid. The first automobiles were delivered to customers at a ceremony in Vermont, and the company's CEO, Elon Musk, highlighted the car's primary technical features. While some of the significant modifications were already known, the specifications of the ingenious new motor revealed some fascinating information. Elon Musk has revealed more information about Tesla's new electric motor, the Plaid carbon-wrapped motor, and even promised a higher RPM version coming to the next Roadster. He did show off Tesla's new Plaid carbon-wrapped motor and go through some of the technical specifics of the new technology, which allows for smaller, more powerful, more efficient motors. They never stop going beyond the limits, right? So as we go through his tweets, the CEO regarding the machine said the fiber is wound over rotor at high tension load. The machine to do this was made by Tesla Automation. Carbon sleeve must put the copper rotor in compression or it loosens at low temperature due to differential thermal expansion. Preloading is also helpful for maintaining the precise gap to the stator. Previously, Musk suggested employing the same tri-motor powertrain in the new Model S for the new Roadster, which might yield better performance just because of the smaller form factor. But it now appears that Tesla is enhancing the powertrain technology as well. Despite having been around as long as the internal combustion engine, electric power for automobiles is a relatively recent technology in terms of innovation and widespread use. But most people, on the other hand, don't appear to grasp or know how it works. So not to worry, as we are here to go into detail regarding Tesla's insane new motor. A traction motor is an electric motor that propels a vehicle like locomotives, electric or hydrogen automobiles, elevators, or electric multiple-unit trains. Direct current motors with series field windings are the first traction motors. For propulsion, these offer a favorable speed-torque relationship with considerable torque at low speeds for vehicle acceleration and diminishing torque as speed increases. The field winding can be organized with many taps to change the speed characteristic, allowing for reasonably smooth operator control of acceleration. A vehicle using pairs of motors in series parallel control offers another degree of control. Two motors can be operated in series off the direct current source for sluggish operation or large loads. Also, if a larger speed is necessary, these motors can be connected in series. The AC series motor, often known as the universal motor, is a variant of the DC system that uses alternating current instead of direct current. Because both the armature and field current reverse at the same time, the motor behaves similarly to a direct current motor. To achieve better operating conditions, AC traction motors are frequently supplied with current at a lower frequency than the commercial supply used for general lighting and power. Special traction current power stations, or rotary converters, are used to convert 50 or 60 Hz commercial power to the 25 Hz or 16 plus 23% Hz frequency used for AC traction motors. The AC system allows for efficient power distribution throughout a rail line, as well as switchgear-based vehicle speed control. AC induction motors and synchronous motors are simple and low maintenance, but their constant speed characteristics makes them challenging to use for traction motors. The speed range within which an AC induction motor may generate acceptable levels of power is limited by the architecture of the motor and the frequency of the AC power source. Traditionally, DC motors, a form of brushed DC electric motor, have been used in electric vehicles. Separately excited and permanent magnet DC motors are available in a range of designs with simplified driving schemes and lower prices. So now the question here is, how does Tesla push the limits? Well, Tesla boasts that its long-range Model S can go 370 miles between charges, which is roughly the distance between San Francisco and Los Angeles. On the range, its closest electric vehicle competitors from companies like Chevrolet, Jaguar, and Nissan can only go around 240 miles. That's about the distance between Washington, D.C. and New York City, but certain versions can go up to 260 miles. The majority of the others are trailing, barely making it past 200 miles, where Tesla is a leader in the electric car race because its battery technology is more sophisticated and it is ready to take greater risks, killing every task they took. Elon Musk again goes on to surprise us. For more than a decade, Tesla has been designing battery-powered vehicles from the ground up, leveraging software to improve battery efficiency. Many traditional luxury elements have been dropped in favor of aerodynamics, such as multi-gear transmissions in favor of twin motors that transfer shifting power ratios to the front and back wheels. Plaid motor Model S. Elon Musk teased a hotter, higher RPM version of Tesla's new Plaid carbon-wrapped electric motor, which he said would appear in June 2021 with the next-generation Roads. Moreover, Elon Musk said that the next-generation Roadster would have a wheel torque of 10,000 Nm when it was unveiled in late 2017, which is already rather amazing. The next-generation Roadster's manufacturing could give some huge amounts of power thanks to a higher maximum RPM. The Roadster may genuinely stand apart from the Model S Plaid thanks to its SpaceX-infused technology and 620-mile range, easily justifying its estimated base price of $200,000. Okay, so now go back to the bunches of tweets that Musk did about this new update. One of his tweets said that fiber is wound over rotor at high tension load. The machine to do this was made by Tesla Automation. Carbon sleeve must put the copper rotor in compression or it loosens at low temperature due to differential thermal expansion. Preloading is also helpful for maintaining a precise gap to the stator. Musk also said, main advantage of this is a much stronger EM field compared with a rotor that is held together by metal, usually high-strength steel. Other advantage is that rotor can go to higher RPM as carbon sleeve mostly stops copper rotor from expanding due to radial acceleration. Tesla usually alludes to something far more interesting in the works when it introduces new and better technologies. Musk tweeted, "We have to keep some secrets. We have a few ideas for increasing torque and max RPM even further for the new Roadster. Fun and exciting engineering ahead. That means more surprises. What's more, do you think he is going to give to this industry?" The current Model S Plaid can accelerate from 0 to 96 km per hour in less than 2.0 seconds. With a quad-motor arrangement, the automobile will be much faster. In the current Tesla Model S Plaid, there are 3 electric motors. 2 of these power each back wheel, while one at the front axle creates energy for the front right wheel. The electric motor has a power output of 1,020 horsepower and a torque output of 1,423 Nm. For each motor, this corresponds to 340 horsepower and 474.33 Nm of torque. A quadruple motor Model S is a car that was designed by Tesla. Plaid may become a reality shortly, as the company continues to raise the bar and set new benchmarks. Adding a second motor will also have some disadvantages. The 4th motor's increased weight will increase the car's total weight, lowering the range. So if you went on Musk's earlier statements, he said that the next-generation Roadster would have a wheel torque of 10,000 Nm when it was unveiled in late 2017. Which is already rather amazing. The next-generation Roadster's manufacturing could give some huge amounts of power thanks to a higher maximum RPM. The Roadster may genuinely stand apart from the Model S Plaid thanks to its SpaceX-infused technology and 620-mile range, easily justifying its estimated base price of $200,000. So what are your thoughts on this speculating motor by Tesla? Do you think it will continue its road journey with its promises? Do tell us in the comment section. So the video is at its end. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends and near ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon right next to it so you will never miss any video from our channel. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.